Hello everybody, today we will identify math rules for a given situation or table. So let's take a look at this table here. It says Alex and his older brother Andy have the same birthday. If you know Alex's age, how can you find Andy's age? Look for a pattern in the table and find a rule. So let's compare each pair of numbers. So we have 2 and 8, 4 and 10, 6 and 12. In each pair, Andy's age is 6 more than Alex's age. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 6 is 13. 9 plus 6 is 15. So this tells us that the rule is add 6. Now let's look at another problem. Nell saves some of the money she earns. The table shows how much she earned and how much she saved for 5 days. What is a rule for the table? What are the missing numbers? So if we take a look, she earned 65 cents and saved 50. She earned 45 cents and saved 30. And she earned 30 cents and save 15. So think about the relationship between each of these pairs. If you notice, we're subtracting 15. 65 minus 15 equals 50. 45 minus 15 equals 30. 30 minus 15 equals 15. So the rule in this case is subtract 15. Now if we take a look at the blanks here, we know 50 minus 15 will give us the answer for the first one. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer here is 35. And for the second one, we'll have to add 15 to 25 because we're working backwards. So we're going to add 15. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So this would be 40 cents. So when we look at this last one, we notice 4 and 20, 3 and 15. This time we're not adding a set number or subtracting. We're multiplying. So 4 times what is 20? 4 times, or how many 4s is 20? If you're thinking 5, you're right. 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 5 is 30. So the rule is multiply 5, right? So if we use that rule, we could say 5 times 5 is 25. And we could say 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, now it's your turn to try. Good luck.